Hello YouTube viewers, we're going to revisit this Data I.O 2900 one more time. I decided to play with the config file on the Flash Floppy and I think I got it. So let me light up the terminal here. This takes about 4 minutes, so you guys might want to skip ahead, or you can just hear me babble. But we have the terminal up. Well, let's boot this thing. It's booting. You can see it will start seeking here in a minute. The track number, 0.1, and it's moving. Cotty's going to get in your way. So this takes about 4 minutes. I don't know what to talk about for 4 minutes. But I can tell you, never, ever trust the drive that was in it with these settings that was the jumper settings. Those were incorrect. So somebody must have put this drive in and couldn't get it working. But this drive is bad. I set it up to what the Flash Floppy wanted to work, and it still didn't work. So, but if I use the jumper strap settings there, Flash Floppy wouldn't work. So it's taking a sweet time. It takes about 4 minutes. Cotty, she's just gonna sit there. She's gonna follow me, but she's gonna short everything out. Watch. Gotta put her tail on it. But you can see it's moving. Track 27. This takes forever. Yeah. Cotty cattin'. I'm gonna have to move you. Should just jump right back up, unless I put her out. Yeah, I've tried a few different settings with this, but I will post my FF config in the description. It might not happen immediately when I launch this video, but it will happen. It'll be on the blog post, so we'll just put it that way. But I'll put the blog post in the description. So. It takes a while. This is definitely going to get one of those mass storage modules, so it boots a lot quicker. If anybody knows any of quality DuPont cables, little DuPont cable jumpers, these little things that actually you can plug them in more than once, let me know. Need some good quality ones for the shop. I tried multiple flash drives, USB sticks. It was one little setting. There it is. It's self-testing. And when the self-testing is done, the self-test light right there will go out. I already updated it to version 9.50. It was like version 5.1 something. And no, we don't want to select a new terminal. And system boot complete. So then we can go through and select different things, but I'm not going to go through all these yet. I'll do it in another video because I got to figure out all the shortcut keys. Hit self-test. Loading from disk. Test mode 1 pass. Base adapter relays question. System RAM, that'll take a little while. It's only got 1 mega RAM. I'm going to be in the market for a couple 4 meg Sims. They're on eBay, but I'll upgrade this to the full 8 meg. And it'll really take a long time to boot and do the tests. So this is the first time I'm doing the tests here. As the LEDs are toggling, it's testing. Sometimes you have to wonder with this old equipment, it takes so long. You wonder if it locks up or not. Yeah, there's a lot of these 2900s. Oop, the display went. I forgot to switch the timeout on the display. Yeah, it takes a long time to test the RAM. Can I? No, Cuddy's out of the picture still. There's her nose. She's supervisorial-lating. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change that timeout on that display. Oop. We got a pass. User RAM, it's still testing. It does a self-test when it boots, but I think this is the big test here. Just sit and wait. Hurry up and wait. That's the deal, right? Hurry up and wait. I did get a lot of work done this week. Got some work done on my workbench. I'm going to be probably a week or two be transferring over all my equipment. I got to make some mounts and try to hook up some cameras. Got to build some more pulsar and sequencer boards. And I've got a bunch of transmission controllers. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one should be coming in tomorrow for an exchange. Right there. So I'll have 6 I'll be doing next week. Yeah, I just wonder if it's still going. You gotta learn these keys like PF1. Where is a PF1 key? I tried like Escape and Shift F1, Alt F1. I could not get any of those to pop up. So it looks like this will be a good candidate for power supply rebuild, and go through the board with the microscope and check all the soldering connections. And I don't know if it's locked up or not. It's still blinking. Is it doing anything on the drive? Wake it up here. Still at track 23. Just give it some time. Should have made me a coffee. Yeah, these are boring videos, but it might help somebody. Yeah, the self-test light's on, so it is still testing. So. Okay. Yeah, self-test light, these lights right here, if you didn't catch the first videos. Right there. So. And I'll have an update on the adapter that was a failure on the BP Microsystems. So that'll be probably the next video. Waiting on an email back from BP Microsystems. Then I will probably be having some good right to repair news. with a major grill company. I'm waiting on some information from them also. But I think it's going to be very, very good news. So. Still testing. It's going to be a long video. It's already 15 minutes. Hey, if Cotty was over on the other side, you could see her. But she won't go over there unless I put food over there. And no, Cotty is not starving. Oop. Yeah, she's going to mess this all up, right? Oh, user RAM pass. Disk pass. Base adapters relay. I heard some clicking. Pin drivers. Not sure if you're supposed to do this test with a socket in or not. But I was doing it with the socket in. So far it looks like this hardware's a go. And we passed everything. Done. Awesome, awesome. So I will see y'all next week. I am going to take a day off, try to, on Monday, because it's my 48th trip around the sun. So I will be 48 years old. So we will catch y'all later.